flower shop, a corner shop, essentially, in New Delhi. And I've just bought some lovely flowers using the universal payment system here in India. We've used a payment app, and it is so convenient, it is so easy. I'm told that 75% of your customers who come to purchase flowers from you use the app. Is that the case?
The smallest transactions and the most simple transactions are now on this app. That people are less distracted and more finding the value, security, and the personal control, because the money goes directly to the vendor's account. So here he sees it himself. He doesn't have to check. Instantly.
Yes, the key thing also is that in terms of the visit here, one of the key takeaways is that we now have access to the UPI platform in Jamaica, which has been built here, has been tested. Most transactions in India today are done through this.
What I noticed looking at the app is that I saw Google Pay, and there was the locally developed Indian app. Okay, so you can use any app. You said any app you are comfortable with.
So the customer can use what he or she feels comfortable with.
Yeah.
That's why it is called a unified payment interface.
And what is also excellent PM, and all the banking apps can also take this unified payment system and insert it into their apps too. So it's not just the independent apps, but it can also allow the banks to use the same platform.
So essentially, what this is, as you have said, the unified
payment interface
railway on which all the apps can run. So any bank in Jamaica could develop their own payment app, or you could use your Google app, but this system brings them all together, and it means that it is moving money from your bank account to someone else's bank account through this unified system.
So it gives the
It's convenient.
It gives the customer control too.
Yes.
That I control my money and I pay directly. I mean, it gives a sense of personal security and control as well as convenience.
Yeah, but it also gives the ability to what I like to call price precise.
Exactly.
Right? Price precise.
No change. No.
So, sometimes the true value of the product might be, 592 cents. But you're not going to get that 2 cents. So you round up. And so can you imagine for the millions of transactions that you do, how much higher prices are because of this rounding up? But with the app, you don't have to worry about making change, so your price can be more precise. So that adds a level of price stability in terms of countering the inflationary effect. But it's competitive.
Another aspect of this is he as a vendor, not operating in cash. So his business transaction, he can go to a bank and say, this is how much business I'm doing, and get a loan.
So you have a record of all your transactions.
But he also doesn't have to go to the bank with his cash every day.
Kenny wouldn't like that. So listen, right? Where we want to get to is that you want to buy a coconut from a coconut vendor on the road. He will probably have his QR code on the coconut, and you go and you scan that QR code and you pay for that coconut. Or whatever it is.
And for tourists as well. For them to come and everybody
no need to exchange
has
money.
So we have seen it work. Thank you. Today is someone's special day.